guys. I'm right now in the bedroom where I got banned at. I came back for about 10 minutes. And then when security guards tell me to come back, when the security guards see me come back, then they're gonna be super pissed off. And they're gonna when I come back, they're gonna lock the doors, put the gates down, and then after that, I went to another bedroom store. And then they banned me from that too. So this time, this bedroom, I'm gonna have to pull the fire. Because the other bedrooms, I stole fish, I I took away a hat, and I got banned. And then this time, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. So if they see me pull the fire alarm, they're gonna be real suspicious and they're gonna ban me. Okay, guys, here's the deal. It is time to pull the fire alarm. Here we go. In three. Okay, here we go. In three, two, one. I pulled it. And now the alarm's about to go off. I'm at rounds. Unfortunately, they inserted a key, put the alarm back up, and it banned me from ever coming back.